So guys, just want to do a walk around of my car here. Just got done washing it and detailing it. Showing you all the mods I've done so far. As you can see, the matte black diffuser there. Looks really sharp, very subtle, but it, I think, makes it more aggressive in the rear. Kind of goes with the gloss black spoiler I did. Then you got the full blackout kit, the wheels and the window trim here. And then the black plastic overlay on the grill with the gunmetal plasti dipped front badge. Really like how it's coming out so far. Feel like it's not overdone, but it looks clean and it kind of accentuates the body lines, everything I've done. It's a nice day today to do this, so I feel like I'd share that with you so you can get an overall picture of it, because a lot of the pictures I know are in my garage, so this gives you a better idea. Everything's holding up fine too. The vinyl on the wheels, I use the strongest setting on my hose and blast them. Doesn't do anything to it. Looks really good. I'm going to try here shortly switching the diffuser to a gloss black. I have a gloss black piece of vinyl coming, so I'll go ahead and switch that and then do another, walk around and see what you guys think. I'm kind of thinking the gloss black will look good to match the gloss black spoiler, but we'll see. We'll see how it looks. It's easy to reverse if I don't like it. But overall, it's come along great. I've had it exactly a year now, so this is how it looks. I'm really happy with it. Been trouble-free so far. I like you guys' comments. Give me some ideas for the future. I really appreciate the support. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. It keeps me going. It helps me get ideas for future videos. I do appreciate that. Like I said, no issues so far, so that's good. And I have about 3,900 miles on it. So like you guys know, I don't really drive a whole lot. So just wanted to share this with you. Hope everyone's doing good, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks.